flu season so far is shaping up to be one of the worst in recent times. That's according to one local medical doctor who has advised that in addition to the flu vaccine, good hygiene is imperative. TVJ Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's edition of The Health Report.
The 2018 to 2019 flu season was historically bad. However, the 2019 to 2020 season is off to an even worse start.
I go good and I just feel sick. I go to the pharmacy and then give me some vitamin C.
I try to look warm remedy like garlic and honey. More time I cough come like you whole of my stomach at zero. I don't know the flu yeah. Something else.
Family physician Dr. Oral Kirkland sees at least 20 patients in his practice weekly. These patients come in specifically to get treatment for the influenza virus.
As I've gathered, it has been that way in the US, and we tend to follow the pattern that is there with the flu virus. So because they are having a severe situation, we expect it to come down to us.
Influenza is a viral infection that attacks your respiratory system, that is your nose, throat, and lungs. It often has symptoms such as fever, runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, headache, muscle and body aches. For most people, influenza resolves on its own, but sometimes it can cause deadly complications.
It can lead to pneumonia, that is secondary bacterial infection in the chest, and it can also cause inflammation in the chest and affect the lungs, and so people can have problems with the lungs.
If you have symptoms of the influenza virus and is at risk for complications, you need to see your doctor immediately. You are also advised to get the flu vaccine as well as taking the other necessary precautionary measures.
Avoid, areas where there are a lot of people, where it is very populated. Avoid people who are coughing and sneezing. And the proper hygiene, wash the hands and stuff.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.